Has banking always been boring to you? Maybe a little cold, a little corporate? For decades, the high street banks were, well, banks. Stuffy, intimidating, and speaking a language of confusing jargon. Then, in 2015, a new name exploded onto the scene, bringing with it a bright, distinctive, and frankly human approach, Monzo. And they disrupted the entire industry, not with some incredible new financial product, but with something far more powerful, emotional branding. Monzo realized the core problem wasn't the services banks offered, it was the feeling of managing money. It's stressful, it's anxious, it's often confusing. Their genius lay in creating a brand that addressed these negative emotions head-on, replacing them with feelings of control, clarity, and even delight. It starts with the infamous hot coral card. In a sea of muted blues and greens, Monzo's card was a statement. It was a physical conversation starter, designed to be noticed and to make banking feel a little bit like a lifestyle choice. They understood that brand is a feeling, and that color evokes immediate emotion. But the emotional connection runs deeper than just aesthetics. Take the Monzo app itself. They stripped away the complexity. They gave you instant notifications that feel less like a warning and more like an affirmation of control. They introduced features like pots for saving and easy bill splitting, turning frustrating tasks into simple, satisfying magic moments, as they call them. Crucially, Monzo mastered the human tone of voice. Their communications, from app copy to customer service, are friendly, witty, and jargon-free. They speak with their customers, not at them. They're famously transparent, even sharing what happens when things go wrong, fostering a sense of community and genuine trust that high street banks often fail to achieve. They turned banking into a relationship, not just a transaction. They created a community, allowing users to vote on new features and even helping them rename the company when a legal challenge forced them to change from their original name, Monzo. This deep involvement made customers feel truly valued, shifting their emotional investment from simple customer satisfaction to genuine brand loyalty. By focusing on making customers feel good about their money, Monzo didn't just build a bank, they built a brand that people love. They proved that even the most conservative industry can be completely flipped when you put genuine human emotion and user experience at the core of your strategy. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.